So good morning everyone. We're here to present our report on database connectivity with JDBC or Java Database Connectivity. So first of all, I'm Andre Lagunsing together with my group mates Lawrence San Francisco, Alvin Farinal, Ralph Paira, Alaysa Malazarte, Jillian Garcia, Hazel Saluya, Judy Innocentes, Cedric Paul Bejas, and Vincent Gunawan.
In this presentation, we will explain how Java connection to different database like MySQL and ContraSQL using JDBC, like also talk about how SQL called and executed to different between estimates and prepared estimate, and important concept like transactions and communications polling.
To begin, let's first understand what JDBC is and why it plays a major role in database application. So, the introduction. Java Database Connectivity or JDBC is a tool that helps Java program connect and interact with database like MySQL and PostgreSQL. It provides a standard way for Java application to send SQL command to a database, such as select, insert, update, and delete. This allows developers to easily access and manage the data stored in relational databases.
In this report, we will explain how Java connection to a database using JDBC distribute how SQL query are executed and compare the use of statement and prepared statement. We will also discuss transactions which allow multiple database action be grouping together, and connection polling which improve the performance of application. Overall, this report aims to show how JDBC support effective and secure database operation in Java applications.
So, good day everyone. Our topic for today is connecting Java to a database. Connecting Java to a database means establishing a communication bridge between a Java program and database management or DBMS. This allows Java application to perform operations such as inserting, updating, deleting, and retrieving data. Java uses JDBC or Java Database Connectivity API to achieve this. JDBC provides classes and methods to connect, send SQL commands and management to result.
So, we have an example here. Example 1, Java connection to MySQL. Java connection to my MySQL. Connecting Java to my SQL allows a Java program to interact with a MySQL database using JDBC, enabling data operations like insert, update, delete, and query. So, we have an example 2, Java connection to PostgreSQL. Java connection to PostgreSQL. Connecting Java to PostgreSQL uses JDBC to enable a Java program to interact with a PostgreSQL database for tasks like querying, inserting, updating, and deleting data.
So, our conclusion is connecting Java to a databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL is essential for building data-driven application. Using JDBC, developers can seamlessly integrate Java applications with various databases, allowing data to be accessed and manipulated in real time with a proper connection. Java programs become more powerful and dynamic by being able to store, retrieve, and process data from a persistent database. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening.
Executing SQL queries. Select, insert, update, delete. Introduction. SQL operations and JDBC in Java. SQL structured query language is a standard language used to manage and manipulate data in relational databases. Allows developers to interact with databases through a set of fundamental operations. Select, insert, update, and delete. These operations enable applications to retrieve, add, modify, and remove data as needed. In Java, SQL operations are executed using JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, which is a standard API that provides methods for connecting to database, sending SQL statements, and processing results. The select query allows data retrieval from a database, and using JDBC in Java, you can connect to the database, execute the query, and process the return data using a result set. This process is essential for displaying or using data from the database in a Java application. Using an insert query in Java with JDBC involves establishing a connection to the database, preparing the SQL statement with the placeholders, setting values, executing the query, and closing the connections. These methods helps maintain database security and perform, especially when inserting user supply data.
Update query. The update query is used to modify existing data in a database. In Java, it's done using JDBC and prepared statement to update record securely and efficiently. Delete query. The delete query is used to remove record from a table. Java uses prepared statement to safely execute this command and prevent SQL injection attacks. Best practices: always use a where clause to avoid affecting all rows. Back up your data before running update or delete queries. Optimize queries for better performance. Use prepared statement to prevent SQL injection. Conclusion: SQL is essential for managing databases. Using select, insert, update, and delete properly ensures data is handled safely, efficiently, and correctly within any application.
That's all po. Thank you.
Transactions and connection pooling. What is a transaction in JDBC? In JDBC, or a Java Database Connectivity, a transaction is a sequence of one or more SQL operations that are executed as a single unit of work. Transactions help ensure data integrity and consistency, especially in situations involving multiple operations like insert, update, and delete that need to either all succeed or all fail together. It follows the ACID properties to ensure data acid properties. So the meaning of A is atomicity. All operations succeed or none at all. C. Consistency. The database remain in a valid state before and after that transaction. I. Illusions. Concurrent transactions do not interfere with other. H. Durability. Once committed, change are permanent even in case of a crash. The acid properties are a set of characteristics that guarantee reliable processing of database transactions. These properties are crucial for maintaining data integrity and consistency, especially in multi-user environment where concurrent transactions can occur. So, this is the example. Begin. Update accounts set balance equal balance minus 100 where id equal 1. Update account set balance equal balance plus 100 where id equal 2. Commit. If something fails in between, you can use the rollback. So this is the example code of a transaction. So this is the output. Use cases, bank transfer, order replacement, inventory, updates.